Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to look at how you can add hanging indent in Google Docs. If you don't know, hanging indent pushes every line except the first one inward, so it's easy to see where one citation ends and the next begins. So the first step is you want to highlight all the citations or references you want to format. So I'm going to select all of them. After that you want to go to Format, so click on Format. From the drop down you want to choose Align and Indent. And then here in this menu, you can see indentation options. You want to select it. You can do indentation in the inches over here, left and right, or you can select here where it says none, you can select hanging. So I'm gonna choose it. After that, you can type your size. So let's say 0.4, click on apply, and now you have your hanging indent. So this is it. So just need to select it, format, you want to go to align indent, indentation options, and here you want to select hanging and you can choose your size in the inches. So the default one is 0.5, but you can use whatever you want. And that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.